If you're encountering the issue of iPhone photos not showing location, it can be quite frustrating, especially if you rely on the location data for organization or sharing. This issue typically occurs due to settings related to location services or permissions. Here are steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Solution 1: enable location services for photos. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap privacy and security. Tap location services. Ensure that location services is turned on. Scroll down and tap camera. Set the location access to while using the app. Solution 2: check location settings in Photos. Open the Photos app. Select any photo you want to check for location. Swipe up on the photo or tap the small information icon. If there is no location data, that means the camera didn't capture the location when the photo was taken. The previous steps should fix this issue for future photos. If that case, you need to add location tab, tapping adjust. Search for location, add it here, and after this, your location will be automatically under the picture. Solution 3: reset location and privacy settings. If the issue persists, resetting the location and privacy settings might help. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Location and Privacy. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset. After resetting, you'll need to re-enable location access for the camera and Photos apps. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of iPhone photos not showing location. If the problem persists, make sure that your iPhone's location services are functioning properly and consider updating your software to the latest version.